Hey, this is Madison with the Sensory Path. Let's install the Draw Push Wall. Before beginning, I made sure to sweep and mop the floor really well. A clean surface helps the image stick properly. I'll start with unrolling and cutting apart the images. To begin, I will place 2 pieces of tape on either side of my pencil. This will help me apply the image correctly. Next, I'll remove some of the image to expose the backing. Then I will cut part of the backing off and place a portion of the pencil down. Now I can remove the tape and peel a portion of the backing off. Using a waving motion with my squeegee, I'll carefully guide the pencil down. Now onto the wall. I'll start by lining up the colored pencils with the feet to guide my placement. Use an X-Acto knife to help you peel up the designs off the paper. From there, I can position the remaining images in a way that works best for this space. Pro tip, if you're installing on a brick wall, use a hairdryer and squeegee after placing the images. The heat helps the adhesive conform to the texture, ensuring a strong bond. See you next time!